Hello creators, want to bring your designs to life? Let's sign up for Adobe Express and get started in no time. First, head over to the Adobe Express website or open the app on your device. Tap on Create an account. This will take you to the sign up page. You can register with an email, Google, Apple, or Facebook account. If you are using an email, enter your details, create a strong password, and hit Continue. Adobe might ask you to verify your email, so check your inbox and confirm your account. And that's it. You now have full access to Adobe Express and can start designing right away. Not getting the verification email? Check your spam folder or try resending the confirmation. What's the first design you'll create? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.